I am old, but I believe that I will see an independent India before my death. To this amazing end, if I could do anything, I will be truly a satisfied person. May God save India. Vande Mataram. Annie Besant. People who decide to walk on the road of idealism never care for small talk of other people. Book name Annie Besant. Introduction. Mrs. Annie Besant, during her whole life, searched for the truth and followed it without giving up. She was a brave woman who still inspires millions of us. In her whole life, she learned and preached the truth without caring for criticism by her opponents. She was a selfless worker, much above caste, nation, and religion. Fought for India and its people. Mrs. Annie Besant fought for India and its freedom. A poet, Pratap Narayan Mishra, wrote a heart touching poem on her about her contribution. She travelled all over India and spread awareness for need to fight for India's freedom. In her own words, she said, I am old, but I believe that I will see an independent India before my death. To this amazing end, if I could do anything, I'll be truly satisfied person. May God save India. Vande Mataram. मैं बूढ़ी हो चुकी हूँ, पर मुझे विश्वास है कि मरने से पहले मैं भारत को स्वराज प्राप्त किए देख सकूँगी। यदि इस शानदार भविष्य को प्राप्त करने में मैं कुछ भी सहायता कर सकी तो मुझे पूरा हो जाएगा। ईश्वर भारत को बचाए। वंदे मातरम। Fought for rights of workers. In England, at that time, workers used to work for 14 hours a day. Despite this, they could not meet their ends. Mrs. Annie Besant came forward to help them. She educated them to vote for only those leaders who will fight for them. She started a newspaper so that people become aware of the problems of workers. She made arrangements whereby people who were fighting for the workers and were arrested could be released by paying bail. Special committee was also made so that legal battles could be initiated for the affected workers. Worked for the education and women rights in India. Mrs. Annie Besant established Central Hindu College in India, where the standard of education was very high and which also promoted Hindu religion and Indian culture. She preached strongly for female education and insisted that if Indian females are not given proper education, then India cannot attain its lost glory. Few excerpts from the book. Marriott used to teach girls under her don't eat sugar for a week or leave some leisure thing and save money. Whatever money you save now, you can donate it to the needy. कुमारी मैरियट उनको समझाती थी कि तुम लोग एक सप्ताह तक चीनी ना खाकर या कोई और चीज़ आराम की छोड़कर पैसा बचाओ और उससे इसकी सहायता करो. Mrs. Besant kept on working on her chosen path without caring for her criticism. People who decide to walk on the road of idealism never care for small talk of other people. जो लोग किसी सिद्धांत के लिए शहीद होने का निश्चय कर लेते हैं, वे ऐसी लोक चर्चा, निंदा, कुत्सा की परवाह कब करते हैं. Mrs. Annie Besant used to do long trips, gave lectures at various places, used to strengthen the organization, used to write for hours on various topics, along with active participation in the Indian freedom movement. This shows how productive she was. इतनी लंबी यात्राएं करना, साथ ही व्याख्यान देना और संगठन को मजबूत बनाना, बहुसंख्यक पुस्तकें और सामयिक पत्रों के लिए प्रतिदिन घंटों लिखते रहना, भारत के राजनैतिक आंदोलन में भाग लेते रहना, यह सब काम करते रहना इतने बड़े थे कि लोगों को इनकी कार्यक्षमता पर आश्चर्य होता था. होने लगा.